So hello students, let me give you some important points in the logic gates. So look here, this column indicates the type of the gate and this column tells that it acts like what gate, right? See here, if you say bubbled or means it is nothing but NAND gate, right? See here how bubbled or means, first of all make your OR gate, make a OR gate like this. You know this is a OR gate, right? Let me assume that the input are A and B. This input is A, this input is B, right? Now this is OR gate. आपको क्या बनाना है? आपको बबल्ड OR बनाना है. That means put a small bubble here like this. Okay, now this become bubbled OR gate, right? This bubble shows the complement of the input. So that means this become A bar, this become B bar. So output Y will be equal to, since this is OR gate, so what is output? It is sum of these two inverted or complemented variable. So A bar plus B bar will be the output Y, right? Now apply De Morgan's theorem and tell me A bar plus B bar is equal to what? Can I write this A into B bar, A dot B bar, right? So when you apply De Morgan's theorem, you will break this line and change the sign. That means it will come back to A bar plus B bar, right? So now tell me AB bar, AB whole bar, this is nothing but which gate? This is the NAND gate only. This is the NAND gate. Right? Similarly, see here, bubbled NOR gate is nothing but AND gate. How? Look at the board. So first of all, make a NOR gate. Make a NOR gate. This is a NOR gate, right? Now you have to make bubbled NOR gate. That means put inverter here like this, two bubble. So this now become bubbled NOR gate. So let input are A and B. Okay. So what is the output Y? It will be equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay. From here it is A bar, from here it is B bar. Now NOR gate output is A bar plus B bar whole bar, right? So that means again apply De Morgan's theorem, break the line and change the sign. That means here you will get A double bar dot B double bar. This bar gets cancelled with this another bar. Similarly, this bar get cancelled with this bar. That means your output will be equal to A dot B, A into B, right? Now tell me A into B is nothing but, this is equivalent to, this is your AND gate, right? This is nothing but AND gate output, A into B. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that bubbled NOR gate is nothing but AND gate. Bubbled NOR gate is acting like a AND gate. Now third one, bubbled AND. Bubbled AND is nothing but NOR gate. See how? Make a AND gate. This is my AND gate, right? This is my AND gate. Now you have to make it bubbled AND gate. That means put a small inverter here, put a bubble, let input are A and B. So what is output Y? AND gate output is A into B. Now input are A bar and B bar. So like this, right? Now apply De Morgan's theorem. A bar dot B bar is equivalent to what? A plus B bar, A plus B whole bar. right? So this is nothing but output of NOR gate. Is it clear or not? This is nothing but NOR gate. A plus B whole bar, this is nothing but NOR gate. So that means when you apply De Morgan's theorem again, you will break this line and change the sign. So you will get here A bar dot B bar, plus gets changed into product and break this line, that means A bar dot B bar. This is nothing but A plus B whole bar NOR gate. Now fourth last one is bubbled NAND. Bubbled NAND, let me tell you, it acts like OR gate only. See how? First of all, make a NAND gate, right? Let input are A and B, input are A and B, right? Now you have to make bubbled NAND. You know this is the NAND gate, right? This whole is NAND gate. Now you have to make a bubbled NAND gate. That means put bubbles here, one bubble here, another bubble here, right? So this become bubbled NAND gate. What is the output now? You know output of NAND gate is AB whole bar, right? Now here the variables are in complemented form, that means A bar from here, B bar from here, that means write A bar and B bar, right? Now again apply De Morgan's theorem, break this line and change the sign. So when you break this upper line, this upper bar, that means you will get like this, dot gets converted into some A plus, and here you will get B bar, double bar. So this bar gets cancelled with this bar gets cancelled with this bar. Finally you are left with A into A product B, right? A plus B, right? A plus B. Tell me A plus B, it is output of which gate? This is nothing but it is output of OR gate, right? So that means bubbled NAND gate is acting like a OR gate, bubbled AND gate is acting like a NOR gate, bubbled NOR gate is acting like a AND gate, and bubbled OR gate is acting like a NAND gate, right? Now these 4 points are extremely important when you go for logic implementation. You must keep in mind these 4 conversions, right? So we will practice some question based on this, right? Is that clear? Right, it's very easy, right? Shall I delete this? Right, so I'm going to delete this now. So take a question. Question is that find the minimum number of 2 input NAND gates. Question number 1, find minimum number of 2 input NAND gates, right, required to implement A, B bar, C, right? This is the question. So that means how many minimum number of AND gates are required to implement this A, B bar, C, this function, right? So let us solve this. So student, please do subscribe my channel. Those who have still not subscribed, please subscribe this. So how to solve this question? Look here. First of all, tell me a dot b bar dot c. Can I write this function a b bar c like this, a into c into b bar, right? I can write like this. This and this both are same, right? Now implement this. So to make AC, to get this product AC, first of all pass A and C in AND gate. This is A and this is C, right? What is output of this? Tell me. Output of this is AC. This AND gate is AC. Now pass B in a 2 input NAND gate like this. This is a NAND gate, right? This is a 2 input NAND gate. On both the input you are providing a variable B. So that means B into B is equal to B and its complement due to this bubble. So what it will give to you? It will give you B bar, right? Now pass these two output of these two gates into another AND gate like this. What is output now? Final output is Y is equal to A AC and B bar. This is the output you will get, right? Now you know that to make one AND gate we need 2 NAND gate. This AND gate is nothing but equivalent to 2 NAND gate. 2 NAND gate if you connect in series, that means you will get AC only. So to make one AND gate we require 2 NAND gates. So 2 NAND gates are required here, 2 NAND gates are required here at this stage, right? Because this is also AND gate, this is also AND gate. So to make one AND gate you require 2 NAND gates. So that means 2 NAND gate here, 2 here, and ये तो NAND आपका है ही, right? तो कितने NAND gate चाहिए? 2 plus 2 plus 1, right? So total how many? 2 for this AND gate, 2 for this AND gate, and this one NAND gate. So total how many gates are required? 5 NAND gates are required, right? 5 NAND gates are required. That's the answer, right? Now next question. So NAND and NOR, these two gates are called to be universal gates. That means you can implement any Boolean function using these universal gates, right? So answer is 5. See here, why I am saying that this one AND gate is equivalent to 2 NAND gate. The reason is that, look here, this is A, this is C, right? Pass this in NAND gate, you will get AC bar. Again you pass this into another NAND gate, you will get AC bar and another bar due to this complement. So this bar gets cancelled with this bar. So finally you are left with AC. So this two combination of NAND gate in series is nothing but AND gate only. That's why I said 2 NAND gates are required to make one AND gate. Okay, right? Is that clear to all of you? Very easy. Next question. Next question, note down. To implement AB plus CD. Next question, note down. Question 2. To implement AB plus CD, to implement AB plus CD, how many minimum number of 2 input NAND gates are required? How many 2 inputs how many 2 input NAND gates are required, right? So see here, first of all implement this AB plus CD by your normal gates like AND and OR. So for getting AB, AB, pass AB in AND gate, right? When you pass this in AND gate, your output of this AND gate will be A dot B. Okay, this is output of this AND gate. Similarly, to get CD, pass C and D into another AND gate like this, right? This is C and this is D, right? CD. Is it okay? Right? Now you want AB plus CD, that means आगे कौन सा गेट लगेगा बोलो? OR gate. Then only you can get the summation. That means your output Y will be equal to now AB plus CD, right? So this OR gate basically add these two values, AB plus CD, right? Now, so he is asking minimum number of NAND gate, right? NAND gate minimum कितना चाहिए ये फंक्शन इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए, यानी कि आपको सारे गेट NAND में चाहिए. That means you can apply the logic, think logically and make the redraw the circuit again. Apply a bubble, one bubble after this AND gate, that means like this. Okay, similarly apply another bubble here. This is CD. Now tell me what is the output. Now output is AB bar, here output is CD bar, right? Here the output is CD bar. Now put 2 more bubble here like this, make a OR gate and put 2 bubbles here, 1 bubble here and 1 bubble here, right? So now tell me what is output. Output Y will be equal to, see here, this bar gets cancelled with this bubble, this bubble get cancelled with this bubble, similarly this bubble get cancelled with this bubble. Finally you are left with what? AB. 1 bar is due to this bubble, that means double bar, plus CD double bar, that means 1 bar is already there and 1 bar due to this bubble, that means CD double bar. This bar get cancelled with this bar, this bar get cancelled with this bar. Complement ka complement, you will get original number, that means AB plus CD, right? Now see here, this bubbled OR gate, this is a bubbled OR gate na, so this bubbled OR gate is acting like a NAND gate only. I told you just now, this is nothing but NAND gate, right? Bubbled OR gate is nothing but NAND gate, right? So tell me how many NAND gates are required to implement AB plus CD. Tell me 1, 2 and 3. So total number of NAND gates are required here is, answer is 3. 3 NAND gates you require to implement this function AB plus CD. Okay.